Stop, Matt, stop.
So you'll see in the video, we kind of jumped ahead. This part's kind of backtrack, give you an introduction to the bike and where we're going and where it came from. So I picked this up as a wrecked bike. The previous owner had rear-ended a car and bent the front suspension in. So that was already removed before I got the bike. And along with that, we went ahead and removed the factory subframe, installed this piece here. This is made by Down and Out Cafe out of London. Cool guys, really nice welds, really strong tubing. I think it'll be fine. This helps me reduce weight, get rid of a whole lot of unnecessary stuff like the bags, excess wiring for turn signals, stuff like that. Stuff you really don't need in a race. And moving forward, we're gonna redo this plastic intake, still has all the emissions on it. That'll all be gone. We're gonna redo the exhaust to a more of a stainless steel scrambler, high side one pipe setup. And we're running a longer front end, or a longer travel front end using these forks here. These are off of a wrecked bike, a 2006 Suzuki DRZ 400 SM. We're gonna put these on. We actually have the bearings already pulled out. You'll see in the video. We're gonna upgrade these to the right bearings, which, fun fact, a 2010 BMW S1000RR uses the right bearings that fit the Suzuki stem and the BMW neck tube. So there's really no modifications needed other than a 5mm spacer. We're gonna be running the spoked wheels front and back. I know the snowflake wheels on it are really cool and popular. We don't want to destroy those. But the main point of this build is I've never done this before. I'm not professional and I don't know what I'm doing. So we're gonna kind of learn and make it happen as we go. So like, subscribe, help me out if you can. I appreciate it. Comment below if you got any suggestions. Thank you. Check that out. There's like a hideaway. Look at that. There's a hideaway there.
Stash box.
Yeah.
I wonder what's in there.
I don't know. It is pretty cool. Have to check that out. So up in here, I kind of saw this. I thought it was a lock box. Grabbed it, pulled it out. Turns out it's a really cool old school cable lock system for the bike. I don't have a key for it, but it's still cool. And this bike has been sitting since '89 as determined by the owner. It was his father's. His father has since passed away. And this bike is actually as old as I am. Actually, that tag is as old as I am. The bike's from '81. So we got a long way to go. We're gonna get to it. There's a wrap. Yeah, look at that. Bearing race puller, and that's what goes in here, but I lost it. I'm too lazy to look for it. So I saw this cool trick on YouTube that we're going to try. We're going to weld a bead around this race, and it should pull it in enough to where I can literally pull it out with my finger. Get in there, show them the bead. Show them my beautiful welding skills. Magic. So let's see if that actually... Holy crap, it worked.
Now walk it up on this side. Get a flathead.
Neck is hot. Look at that. That works. Ah.
You're hanging out too far, Matt.
Damn it, I don't have anywhere to rest my
Cut it off.
frickin-
Matt, hold on.
My
Hold on.
eyes.
Cut it off. Who gave you that welder?
Casey Bible.
That's cool.
No. I've had it for like 2 years and never used it.
Now you're gonna use it all the time.
I can't see. Am I close?
Yeah. Nope, you're way off.
It's hard to do it from this angle.
Mm-hmm.
That's what separates the men from the boys.
Stop, Matt. Stop. Stop, Matt. Stop.
And that's what we're trying to do, is to pull that race out. Let's put a beautiful Texas oil field style weld around the middle of that. That'll hold, you know, heaven from hell. And then what it does is it heats up the race, kind of pulls it together, and it falls right out. So now we can clean that up and prepare to put in our new races for our different bearings. I am not a professional. I don't know what I'm doing. So learn with me as we make a lot of mistakes. Oh, Lucy girl. Yeah.